Gushoka kwa mutongoria wa gikundi gikire mukana kena Rem Miguna uri wahamurithirio ginyagia bururi wa Canada ni kuratungirio ciagago thutha wa ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini na rũhonge rwa uthami kuga ndari na maratathi makinyaniru gukorwo ari bururi-ini. Miguna uri uracokire bururi-ini muthenya wa ira akoretwo ari moko-ini ma maabitha ugitiri kiharo-ini kia Jomo Kenyatta thutha wake kuga ndekuneana passport yake ya bururi wa Canada niguo akorwo akinengerwo visa ya ihinda guku bururi-ini.
Has been detaining me incommunicado illegally with my lawyers.
What are the reasons or concerns?
There is no reason. They have not gotten authority from whoever for me to get into the country. But I don't need authority. The Constitution says a Kenyan citizen has a right.
Igeriria mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga akigeria guthaithanira Miguna arekererio rikiringa ihiga kuna ndaigana kuiguo.
The fact of the matter that a thing like this can happen in an international airport in the presence of arriving passengers, some of them who are diplomats, puts us in the category of a banana republic.
Ona uhadikia mohoro matinatigwo na thutha tugitharikirwo ni maabitha aria marambite hema kiharo-ini giki utigirira Miguna ndanona kanya ga gwithara. Miguna ahamurithirio kuma bururi-ini thutha wa kwirikana ni agarurire uraia wake ria gatiba etetĩkĩrĩtie mundu akorwo na uraia wa mabũrũri meri.
I'm not going. Where are my luggage? Where is my passport?
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.